Hello, and welcome to the Culture and Society Area of Interest. My name is Shiloh Johnston, and I am the Student Ambassador for the Guided Pathways program. I'm currently getting a double AA in journalism and political science, and hope one day to work as a political strategist. Here at the Culture and Society Area of Interest, our primary focus is on human interaction. Our programs take an in-depth look at how cultures and societies form and how they impact our daily lives. Students who are interested in social justice, sociology, and political science can benefit from fascinating courses such as African American politics, international relations, social psychology, cultural geography, and more that will further their interests in their respective fields of study. These classes will help students graduate from Laney with an associate's degree, or help offer guaranteed admission to a California state school through the Associate Degree Transfer Program, as well as provide certification to students who would like to quickly begin their careers in their industry of choice. Some of the degrees offered are Ethnic Studies, Social Sciences, and Asian American Studies, while offering certification in Labor Studies and a Proficiency Award in Community Change Studies and more. Students interested in pursuing a degree in the Culture and Society Area of Interest can find more information at laney.edu. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you at Laney College next year.